this is an original bolt.
This is what needs to come out. I don't have a...
It should just be a finger tight.
It's not. I can't see where Okay.
It's not up against it.
I'm trying to pull it forward. Because we're... Buffer's got to come backwards somehow. Copper gasket needs to be crushed.
Yeah.
Quarter of the hole now.
I'm afraid that's all we're gonna get.
Pry.
Okay.
Any damage? Nope. Cans. Yeah, we get those bolts. But we don't have the twist now that we had before. Ah, gotcha. 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 Well, it's going to burn a hole in there. Regardless, even after if we lower it and bolt it on, it's still going to burn a hole in the plastic. It's probably what,
That's okay.
yeah, no, I know, but it's
It'll make
probably
us-
what the original one was.
It'll make its own hole.
Okay.
Alright, you want this link or this link? That's your choices. This one's going to be tight, that one's going to be, we're going to move the wheel back.
We got a little play right now, right? No, not much.
So go to the longer one.
Yeah.
That's better anyway because we can always take another one off if we have to. So,
That's a bunch stuff. Well, there's got to be some loose too.
Yeah, we got 5/8 of
Okay.
slop.
I don't see the mark you made.
I see it, it's right here.
Okay.
It's there. Hang on a second, pull that back. Was this kinked? When we did that?
sure was. See, now it lines up with this one perfectly. This is the marked one.
Does the chain look kind of straight all the way around then?
Yep.
That'll make the chain just have a little slack in it, right?
Yep. If we take this one.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna double mark.
Mark the outside of that sucker.
There we go.
The outside of the holes. We're gonna take this whole piece out.
Okay.
Now I feel it. It's coming.
See, I think another link.
Huh?
I think another link.
Now remember, you got 1.5 inches of travel here.
But look how much we got. It don't take much.
I didn't think it would. We're just at the second notch now. We still got 3 notches to go.
That's too tight.
Yep.
However, it's probably where we can put it back together comfortably.
O-ring. O-ring.
Pliers.
Yeah, that's the fun part.
I thought you put it closed.
You don't want it to snag on anything, so your direction travels this way, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
if it snags on something, then it...
Well, I understand why those bolt heads are like they are. Because if they weren't high like that, they'd run into the chain.
Yep. Okay, we can't put the cover on yet because that's in the way of that.
That's the most expensive part of the whole machine, isn't it? We don't want to put that on till last anyway.
You know, they're making reproductions now.
Are they?
And they're $75,
Yeah.
but they're out of stock.
Yeah.
He's making all the cables, but they're out of stock except for the front brake cable.
Is yours a reproduction?
Yeah.
And we've seen these go, originals I've seen go for I think $300.
Yeah, I paid like $75 for that one.
This is talking to the camera now, this is the cover for this. These covers, they notorious for breaking because the chain hits them. And they're real weak right here. And we have seen these go for $300. Original ones, unbroken. I think I sold an original broken one for $75.
Yeah. Someone had ordered that one, and he said it wouldn't fit his bike. He said Honda drilled the holes wrong, or whoever made it drilled the holes wrong.
Right.
But it goes straight on.
So you want to super glue it into the...
Yeah,
Okay, alright.
don't you think?
Yep. Let's give it a shot. We can always,
Scrape it off.
yep. Let me cut those little nubs off. We'll start at that end, and then when we get to it, we'll know. A little better, maybe. So if we start here, let's say in this curve, like so. And then we'll come around to here. I think we're gonna have enough, yeah.
It's gonna be close.
It's gonna be close, even without this piece.
Yep.
Okay.
Where are you gonna start?
I'd say let's start, since we got a nice curve right there, let's start right in the corner. Okay, well that was fun. Had trouble getting a gasket for this, obviously, and this is what we came up with. It's the gasket that came with the set we bought, right?
Yeah.
But it was not for this carburetor. So we're going to give it a shot. It might work, it might not. If not, we'll get a single O-ring to go all the way around it. We just didn't have one on hand. But I think that'll work. Alright.
What do you bend? That little tab there that it hangs on?
Well, you bend that tab to get it to seat harder. You got to bend the whole thing to get the float to go level though. That's why I say I think that part's, well, actually let's test that. Get your air again. Here, let me do it. Camera zoomed in, okay. Okay, it's open now. She's stuck for it. Okay, now do it.
Closed.
Yep.
Why is it sticking?
I'm wondering that myself. Closed. Okay.
But like you say, it should be level.
Yeah, it should sit. Yeah, so we need to. However, I'm still getting that sticking. Where's that little flashlight? Yep, that's what it is. I'll show you in a second. I'll show you in a second.
Could be a dog hair stuck in it.
Yeah. And you don't
Blame
have-
it on Sonny.
You don't have to take that whole damn screw out either. Now see it's got little ears on it. You have little ears. See little ears here on this side. They have to go to the inside of the carburetor, otherwise they get stuck in the little casing. On. Bowl on. Put our screws in. Alright, we've got our top piece on. Put the spring on. And the slide. like so. There we go. Where's our notch? Right there. Set that down. Ah! So, I'll do the throttle. Nice. Feel smooth on that side? Looks smooth.
Yeah.
Looks silky.
Don't even know I'm doing it.
Cool. It's got its little keen and pop in it too. Watch out, dog. That's a nice tight fit.
It should be laying on that side. It's not over here.
Oh no, you pick some up and you clean them up and you put there it is. Tighten yours a little bit. Of course, we'll probably need to loosen that back up when we put the airbox on.
Yeah.
Still got spark?
Can't see it.
You're off. No, you're on run.
Huh?
You're on run. You say you can't see any spark?
I can't see it. I'm not sure it's there, but
It's there. I
Okay.
thought. Alright guys, at this point, as with every project, we ran into a little problem that we weren't expecting. We put a little bit of gas into the cylinder and we're going to try to get it to pop over, and then we were going to hook up the carb and see if we could get it actually running off the carb. However, we ran into a little problem. We started getting intermittent spark, and we think we have it figured out, but we didn't get it figured out till after we were done filming and we're kind of done for the day. We discovered that there was a loose wire on the points. So we never did actually get it to fire, and we ended for the day, and we'll pick it up next time and hopefully get it to fire over. As always, appreciate you watching, and if you like this series of videos, please leave a thumbs up and leave me a comment. See you next time.